So here are the materials we need for this project. Now go ahead and get every material here you will need at this stage of the project. Pick up your heart wire and cut off 14 inches. In case you don't have a heart wire, you can go and get a wire that is hardened enough to shape, to bend to the size of the head. So if you are following this project, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and spread the message. It really does help my channel. Yes, really does help my channel. Now let's get back to the project. Now once I've cut off, I get my cardboard and measure 2 inches from it and cut off. Now you're ready to fold it. Once you have measured it out, insert the wire, fold the cardboard and insert the wire into the cardboard that is folded and glue it. I didn't show this part, but I glued it in. This is also another part if you want to make a bigger size. So see where I have done so many of them. Now the next stage is to bend this wire. So I started bending gently to the shape of the head. Bend it gently so that it aligns to the shape of the head. Thank you so much for watching so far. I just showed an easy way of making your own hairband at home. Done. We just completed the whole project. It's quite easy and simple. You can get a fabric and wrap it and you are done. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Shoes!